Hey guys, welcome back to Brothers Off Script. I'm Jerry.
I'm Ryan.
And today we're doing something very personal to me. This is my personal computer from 2007. It's gone through a lot of wear, tear, and abuse, but the hard drive has finally failed. And so today we're going to do an upgrade into this new case.
Do a chassis swap.
Yep, I've got Western Digital Blue 250 gig hard drive SSD, which I'm really excited about. And I went and did buy a new power supply. This is the Warrior 580 watt power supply, semi-modular. I'm excited for this because this is a good opportunity for me to improve the rig. But this computer's just been with me for a long time. Ryan is the computer fixing genius of the family.
I fix a lot of broken PCs. I resell a few of them online, and it tends to work out for me. So I'm hoping to bring my skills to the table, literally.
So we will set up the camera a little bit better so you guys can see what we're doing, and then we will get this build underway. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, we're back from the garage. Ryan used his shop vac here in reverse to blow out all the heat sinks and fans on both the graphics card and the motherboard. And so we're just in the process here of installing the new power supply. We're going to set this up to pull air into the case from the bottom and blow it out the back.
Keeping with the exhausting the heat of the.
These screws are
Did they come with?
Yeah, they did, but they seem a little large for this application. See if I've got another set of screws here. I do not.
I think they might be okay. It's just their little. So, what did you pay for this power supply?
This power supply was $35, I think.
It's not too bad.
And I would say I got it off of Amazon Warehouse Deals. I wonder why these are not wanting to torque down though.
I'm thinking it's a thread issue. Like, it might be cross-threaded, or they're just, sometimes it happens, cheaper screw. We don't technically need to use this style. I would push it through.
It is cinching down without going.
So maybe
crazy.
it's just a. It's a spare parts that don't belong to anything just yet.
I always felt like this is the harder part of the build because you're kind of in that spot where you're still trying to figure out exactly how everything's going to come together in the new case. We did do a quick just a fit check, and it looks like the motherboard tray is going to fit on there just fine.
So I wasn't sure if it was a micro ATX or
Yep,
ATX.
That's cinched up nice and tight right now.
Okay.
All right, so we've got a
Anything else?
24 pin and an 8 pin connector that are part of the default kit, and then we've got several connectors and adapters if needed.
Primarily, you're only going to use the PCIe.
Yep. Okay, so I think what we're ready to do is motherboard tray.
IO shield.
IO shield first. So let's tip that to the proper orientation.
And making sure you get the right direction to begin with is always critical, so double check your position. Don't bend too many of the supporting brackets.
satisfying snap as it all goes into place. Just straight in. And unlike the HP, this one comes with its own motherboard screws, or the Phillips or Star design, which makes them much easier to put in, less slippage.
Seems like there's some clips there.
Yeah, they'll resist. If you're on top of one, it won't go in all the way.
It seems like my alignment's correct, though.
So they can fit between.
There's just a little bit of a gap that I can see.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
just sliding it back and forth.
pull that back out for a second just to make sure I'm not missing a latch point somewhere. I don't think I am. I think everything's lining up correctly. Actually, Ryan, I wanted to ask you about the optical audio out. Do you know much about those?
Yeah.
How does that work?
So it's an IR or infrared light. It's just traveling down fiber optic cables transmitting a signal. It's basically like an internet connection, but much shorter. So, I mean, Verizon's on the fiber optics now, so it's working for a lot of people getting high speed. But I use it for my sound bar. And don't worry about correcting me, because I'm not too worried about anyone else's opinion on this. It's just, I think it's infrared. I could be wrong, but it's definitely an optical signal. Moment of truth, everybody. Posting test. We got boot. System fan has failed. Service PC. Press F2 to continue. No F functions. Okay, so we're into boot. So that must be some strange reading. Let's get this USB plugged in and see where it goes. So we got a successful boot. We got Windows 10 installed, Windows 10 Pro. Still need to put in the CD key. And look at the smile on that face. He's so happy about his new PC case. Definitely worked out. We lost a little bit of footage in the middle there when we were doing the tear down or rebuild, but we got it all together. So thanks for watching, everybody.
We appreciate it. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.